As Fibonacci numbers increase, the proportion of two successive numbers becomes more and more similar. The ratio approaches but never reaches an infinite decimal beginning with the numbers 1.618. This ratio was given the name the divine proportion and was later called the golden mean. Eventually, it was given the abbreviation phi after the initial of the Greek sculptor Phidias, creator of the artwork on the Parthenon. As early as the Pythagorean school in 500 BC, the Greeks studied the ratio of phi and developed a method of constructing a rectangle with sides measuring 1 and phi. With a perfect square, a line from the midpoint, and an arc, they created what was later called a golden rectangle. The Greeks also found that if they removed the original square, what was left was itself a golden rectangle. The Greeks believed that the golden rectangle held a mathematical key to beauty, and they incorporated it into many designs. The most striking example may be the Parthenon, with most of its proportions based on golden rectangles. The Greeks were not the first to use the visual balance of phi in their architecture. 5,000 years ago, the Egyptians based the design of the Great Pyramid of Cheops on golden proportions. This measurement may not have been intentional, but it reinforces the belief that phi holds some universal aesthetic appeal.